Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video and teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, we got snails upon our screen, I can just say. And if you like insects, I think this lesson will be a fun one for you. And speaking of that, matter of fact, what could you do? How about go online and look at all the fascinating type of insects that they are? And you'd be amazed on the shapes and techniques that you can actually build new characters from, or just learn new insects. So I'd like to challenge you on that when you're looking at this lesson. This is a very fun little snail, should I say, but there are fun snails that kind of look really spooky and actually downright disgusting snails. Anyways, well, if you have your paper and a pencil, I think we're ready to learn how to draw this little snail. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.